Hello everyone, this is Project 5 Trynkit, and this is our third artifact review. This is currently the end of our second sprint, which started Sunday, October 27th and ends today, November 9th. We had many goals and faced many challenges this sprint, but we were able to add a lot of new functionality to the project. Some of our goals for this sprint include migrate the server to an Elastic Beanstalk instance, incorporate code mirror to the project for our syntax highlighting, add themes so that the user can change the theme of the editor based on their preference, incorporate some of the web Bluetooth APIs, add a pop-up on the load of the page so you can create a new project or load a project, add functionality to the settings button. We wanted to add a Python compiler and error handling, but so far those challenges have been too much and we didn't anticipate how much work that those would be to incorporate into our project, so we have not finished those for this sprint, but we plan on continue working on them for sprint 3. And we wanted to add code persistence so that the code that we write in the editor will exist in local storage and not in session storage. So when you load the page, you'll get a pop-up that will ask you if you want to create a project or load a project. So when you hit create a project, you'll have another pop-up asking you to name the file. So you hit OK. It puts that file in a new tab here in the editor so that you can write code in. And as you can see, the code mirror is formatting the code based on the syntax highlighting. So if you do like imports from, if you type in various numbers, it will highlight in blue. Comments will be in green for this theme, etc. We also added functionality for our settings button. So if you hit the settings button, it'll give you another pop-up so that you can change the theme based on the preference. So we got a default theme, ambience theme, Darkula, elegant, material, and ruby blue themes. Also in our editor, we added the functionality for the line numbering. So every time you have a new line, it'll add to the side of the editor here. Even if you delete lines, it'll take them away. We added more functionality for our buttons. So if you want to say load a project, go here and load this Python file, and it'll load the code here. Our web Bluetooth we started incorporating, so when you hit the Bluetooth button, it'll bring up every Bluetooth device that is within range of the computer. And see right now that I am paired currently with my printer. And it also brings up some debugging information here in the console. So if you hit the console button, you can hide it. Same with our debugger button. We added another div here so we can add debugger output there. And that is pretty much it for our sprint these 2 weeks. Thank you very much, and we hope you enjoyed our project so far.